Nestled in the heart of Ireland's ancient East, Kilkenny emerges as a charming and vibrant city that seamlessly intertwines its rich medieval heritage with a dynamic contemporary spirit. Steeped in history and exuding an atmosphere of creativity, this captivating city offers an array of activities and experiences that cater to all tastes, making it an irresistible destination for both locals and visitors alike. Kilkenny's medieval legacy is palpable throughout the city, most notably in the form of the iconic Kilkenny Castle. This imposing stronghold stands as a symbol of the city's historic significance, its towering turrets and well-preserved interiors providing a glimpse into the opulent lives of the Butler family who once inhabited it. The adjacent Castle Park offers a serene retreat where visitors can wander through manicured gardens and revel in stunning views of the castle against the backdrop of the River Nowher. Kilkenny's medieval streets are a treasure trove of boutiques, galleries, and artisanal shops that reflect the city's thriving arts and crafts scene. The Kilkenny Design Centre is a hub of creativity, showcasing a diverse range of contemporary Irish crafts, from textiles and ceramics to jewelry and fine art. The city's historic lanes also lead to the magnificent St. Canice's Cathedral and Round Tower, where visitors can climb the tower for panoramic views of the city and surrounding countryside. Exploring Kilkenny's vibrant cultural scene is a must, with the acclaimed Kilkenny Arts Festival attracting artists and enthusiasts from around the world each year. The city's intimate theaters and lively pubs regularly host live music, theater productions, and comedy nights, creating an atmosphere that resonates with creativity and celebration. Kilkenny is also a haven for foodies, boasting a culinary landscape that blends tradition with innovation. Traditional Irish pubs offer hearty fare and a warm atmosphere, while modern bistros and restaurants elevate local ingredients to gastronomic heights. The Smithwick's experience, located within the old brewing site of Ireland's oldest ale, provides an immersive journey into the world of brewing and a taste of Kilkenny's brewing heritage. Outdoor enthusiasts will find their calling in Kilkenny's surrounding landscapes, as the city is situated amidst rolling hills, serene rivers, and scenic trails. The Nowher Valley Walk, which meanders along the River Nowher, offers a leisurely exploration of the city's natural beauty, while adventure seekers can try their hand at kayaking or cycling along the picturesque countryside. Kilkenny's welcoming spirit is further evident in its festivals, which celebrate everything from literature and comedy to traditional music and crafts. The Kilkenny Cat Laughs Comedy Festival and the Savour Kilkenny Food Festival are just a couple of examples of the lively events that contribute to the city's vibrant atmosphere. Kilkenny is a city where time-honored history merges with contemporary flair, creating a destination that offers something for everyone. Its medieval streets, cultural riches, culinary delights, and natural landscapes come together to weave an experience that captures the essence of Ireland's past, present, and future, making Kilkenny an essential stop on any Irish journey.